Hey everyone, I wanted to come and unbox some Pattern Beauty products with you guys. I'm so excited. This is the jojoba oil blend self-heating pack, and I love it for hot oil treatments. 2 come in a pack, and you have to pull the label off the pack to air activate the heating technology and allow the pack to heat for 3 minutes, and the heat indicator symbol will turn from gray to white, and that's when you'll know it's time to apply it to your hair. The shampoo, the heavy conditioner, the detangling nectar. I also have the shower brush, and this is perfect for defining my curls, as well as the double-sided bristle brush. This is perfect for slick back ponytails and high top buns. And I have the transition mask and the treatment mask, and these help me to rejuvenate my curls. These products help me bring my curls back after styling with heat, and there's also a heat protectant that I use along with my blow dryer. And then there's also a tortoiseshell bundle. It comes with a wide tooth comb, a tortoiseshell edge tool. I also have the tortoiseshell pick as well. I love it. I just love tortoiseshell anything, so it's just perfect. And just look at that, you guys. Like, it's so shiny and it just looks very luxurious, so I love it. Okay, this is the wide tooth comb. It's very sturdy, very good quality. And this is the edge brush, a close-up on the quality of the tortoiseshell. I love it. Look at the amount of space in here. This bag is everything. If you're interested in any of the products I mentioned or any other Pattern Beauty products, I'll have my Pattern Beauty storefront linked in the description box below, so you guys can check out all of my favorite products and browse around, and my discount will automatically be applied to your cart at checkout. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have ever tried Pattern Beauty products before. If so, what are your favorite products? And if not, is there anything that you saw that you're interested in trying? I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video.